Hi guys, welcome to Code Cancel. Today we'll create a thumbnail for our YouTube video in Canva. So go to google.com and search for Canva. The first website that you see, www.canva.com, is the website that we are looking for. Let me go there. Since I'm already signed in, the signed in page did not appear. If it appears on your device, then sign in with Google or Facebook, then this page will appear on your screen. So go on the right hand side and press on create or design button, then you will see YouTube thumbnail, or it may be down below here. Scroll and look for what you want to create. I have a YouTube thumbnail here. I'll just press it. Now this page appears. So what this page is, on the right hand side you have the canvas. Okay, so simply put, it's a paper. It's like drawing on a paper. So we want to create a thumbnail. So I'm thinking of creating something red on red, red on black, something like that. Okay, so in order, if you want to change the background, you can just go to background here and choose any of it. So let me choose this background. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to create a thumbnail that says how to create a thumbnail for YouTube in Canva. Okay, so let me go to text. I need text, and let me select how to let me select a template for the text. Okay, let me use this one. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. So I'll delete the one in the no, this is not good. Let's change it. To delete it, you can just select the element and press delete button. So let me say use a good one. Will this work? Yeah, let me delete the lower one and just do Ctrl A and how to, not how to, let's just say create. Create. I have. So go to elements. I don't want to write YouTube. I want to show YouTube elements. So let me search for YouTube. So I have I can use any of this here, but I think I'll use this one. So to resize it, I can just click here and drag it. But I want this to be white. Okay, so when I press on this element, you can see options appearing. Let me change this black one into white. Which one is it? This one. So I can, yeah, it is. So I pressed here and chose the color. So now the black element has turned into white, but I want to make it look like a 3D element. So what I'll do is I'll copy this element, press Ctrl C or Command C in Mac, Ctrl C, and I'll press Ctrl V or Command V in Mac. Okay, so now what you see is we have the same elements twice. Okay, I just copied it. So I'll go back to this color and press black. So when I drag this up here, you can see it looks a bit like 3D. I can just click on this and choose the design that I want. Okay, yeah, you see it looks like a 3D element. Okay, but what we just did is just manipulated 2Ds to look like 3D. Create YouTube thumbnail. Okay, now let's go to text, search for something to write thumbnail with. So which one looks good? Yeah, I'll use this one. So just drag it down here. Let me delete this. Let me click here and delete this. So I want thumbnail thumbnail. Let me resize it. I want everything. I don't want everything white. Let's change the color of this thumbnail. Let me just select all, go to this means text color. You can change color for text from here. Let me choose which color shall we choose? Green, yellow maybe. Yeah, let's choose yellow. Yeah, it looks good. Let's do what we did for YouTube in here. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. I want the one in the back to have Y. Let me just drag this one below here. Let me select this and change its color to white. So now you see, yeah, but it doesn't look good, so let's delete this one and just use this. How to create a YouTube thumbnail in 2020. I want to write 2020, so I again go to text and choose some text template. I'll choose this one. So here you go. Let me delete what is in this. Let me just write 2020, increase its size. But this doesn't look good, so what I'll do is I'll select all these elements at once and drag it here. What I just did it, I selected all the elements and dragged them. I can even resize them all together at once. Let me just do this. Okay, yeah, and resize it. See, yeah, 2020. But since there are too many elements here, okay, if I add Canva from the elements here, let me look for Canva. Okay, what if I put Canva here? I can Ctrl C, Ctrl. It doesn't look good. How? Let's make even this Canva 3D. Let's change this blue color into white. Okay. To do that, I go to this color palette and select on white. Now the elements turn white, but you can't see the word written in Canva into white. So let me again press Canva, bring this here, make it a little smaller. Yeah. So let me put it here. Okay. And what I will do is I'll select both of them. Select both of them, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V and drag one of it here and put this one, the one in the above here. So yeah, it doesn't look there. Yeah, I think it's okay. So you can create a thumbnail for YouTube in this way. So how do you download it? Go to the download button on the right hand side and press it. I want it in the form of PNG and just download it. So it's downloading. So the download is copying. Let's take a look at how it came out. I think it came out okay, but you can add your flavors to the design and create your own thumbnails. So that's it for today. Bye bye.